Alright, here's the Donovan after the repair that we made. Remember, in the picture we had cut all this out, all the way down here, on both sides. We remachined the register, we skimmed the pan rail. Everything was within a couple thousand, so I think the crank would go right back in this and never have a problem. We had to put those threads back in there. Cab register's on good. Done deal.